now Saturday, May 28th, 2016. And if y'all don't know already, and the reason why I'm making this video is because the dollar did not collapse. Now, I said that I made a couple of videos and I said it wasn't. It's fear mongering, especially this video here. Why the dollar is guaranteed to collapse May 28th, 2016. Really? That's funny. But I noticed on a lot of these, now they're changing it to economic collapse, not only possible but inevitable, 28 May. Well, it is now, like I said, 4:23 p.m. Saturday, May 28th. So if Saturday was a business day, it is almost time for close of business. Anyways, 5 p.m. That's New York time. I'm in the Philippines. Like I said in my previous videos, you have to watch for inflation. If things start to, prices of things start to go up dramatically all at one time, that would happen first. But in order for them to collapse the dollar, being that the dollar is the world currency, they would have to create the world currency. Well, Russia and China aren't on board with that. And also Russia and China, they don't trade on the open market either. Now, if you look at my Forex chart here, I have some trades out on the US dollar, but I'm going to show just a couple examples. This is the Australian dollar USD. It is down. Okay, so that means the Australian dollar is down on the USD. The Euro USD. The Euro is down on the USD. Been going down for a while. The USD Swiss franc, it's going up. Okay, so that means the US dollar is up against the Swiss franc. Yeah, this is, it's crazy. It's crazy. And I've noticed they've posted some videos here lately. Now this one was posted 3 weeks ago, May 28, 20. Dollar collapse is a cheap hoax. That's right. It's a cheap hoax. They're trying to sell you fear. They're fear mongering. And gold and silver economy news. I noticed these other ones. Money News has a lot of videos out about the collapse of the dollar on the 28th. World News is another one. I mean, they have just flooded YouTube with these videos, and I imagine probably other places too. US dollar collapse happening now. Really? Really? Freedom Fighter Times. I didn't watch this guy because I find, I don't know, he's got a lot of views and a lot of, I don't know how some of these jokers get so many views. This guy's kind of a hypocrite. I mean, it's just really, really crazy. Financial argument, dollar collapse, most are unprepared. So they're trying to get you to buy something. They're trying to get you to either invest in gold or something like that. Gold is down right now. Gold has been going down since last September. And I think that's why Glenn Beck is so mad, because he's financially strapped, because he bought a bunch of gold back in 2011, 2012, and it started dropping. And I'm just speculating here, but I would say Glenn Beck lost a lot of money in gold. So anyways, going back to my channel here, because I had posted a couple videos. One was for this, and the other one, like I said, I've been doing these Forex videos for over a year now, and recording consistent profits. There was about 3 months there that I had lost internet here. I'm in the Philippines, and for those of you that don't know, the internet service here is just really terrible. So it's a little difficult, And if you don't have good internet service, it's kind of hard to trade forex. I mean, because you have to watch those things. And when I say watch them, I don't mean just sit there and watch them, but you have to set your alerts. You have to be aware of what's going on. And because I like to set alerts, I set high stop losses because I don't let the bankers and the brokers. You want to choose an ECN broker, not a market maker. Those are the ones that'll stop you out. But I explain all that in my best Forex strategy. But the most important thing is my ebook, The Codex of Money. Um, you get a free copy of it with the best Forex strategy, and it just explains how this stuff works. And the Codex of Money isn't necessarily so much all about Forex. It's just about the way the system works. And in order for them to collapse the economy or collapse the dollar, they would have to create the one world currency first. So far, that hasn't happened, and I don't see any plans for it. There was some people that was talking about, um, how they was going to um, uh, I don't know, something about the Bancor or something like that. But the Bancor idea was created back in 1944, 1945, and so far it hasn't been revived. But the one world currency would have to be created. China and Russia would have to be on board, and they would have to get rid of cash. So when inflation hits and they start talking about getting rid of cash, fight that. Don't let them get rid of cash, because if they get rid of cash, you won't be able to pay the neighbor boy $5 to help you clean out your garage without them knowing about it. It'll be tax on tax on tax on tax, and we've already got tax on tax on tax. I mean, you get taxed when you get paid. You get taxed when you go to the store and buy anything. You get taxed when you pay your utilities. You get taxed when you pay your um, your like your mortgage and things like that. I mean, it's just tax on tax on tax, and they just keep trying to figure out ways to tax people. So fight that. I mean, yeah, it's handy to have your debit card and be able to just go swipe it and buy whatever you want. That's fine. That's a good option. But to just get rid of cash is just crazy, because they will have complete and total control over your life. So anyways, um, that's it for this video. Pretty much, uh, I'm $502 in profit for the month. I did take a couple of hits. There was one for $25. There was one for $60. Um, there's one for $51, one for $48, but this one here was kind of significant, $185. And then I, learned later that I probably shouldn't have closed that out. But anyways, Forex is about give and take, and it's if you have more wins than losses. And I take a different approach. My Forex strategy um, has a different approach than other people. I do set high stop losses, but I have also an indicator. My indicators are free. You can, it's the settings that I use though, more than the indicators. You can pick up the indicators for free on my blog. There'll be a link below this video. And but the best Forex strategy is not expensive. There's no monthly fees. There is a blog that goes with it, a members blog and the regular blog. A lifetime membership. You can get the PDF version that's without the videos for $19.95. That's if you're already experienced at Forex trading. But there's also videos, some training videos on the members blog. The full version with the other 10 training videos, that version is $38.95. So for right now, I'm thinking about affiliating it. So if I affiliate it, then I'm gonna have to take the price up, at least double it, because I have to give the affiliates at least 50% commission. So it's not my intention to make a fortune off of the best Forex strategy, but I wanted to share it, and my time is worth money. If you don't feel like your time is worth money, then You know, you're destined to be poor. I mean, that's just all there is to it. You have to be able to make money on several different avenues. It's part of business. Diversify or die. So, anyways, I talk about that in the Codex of Money, and you get a free copy with the best Forex strategy. There's links below, and check it out. You can go to the blog. It's free. I'm not going to inundate you with pop-ups or sign-ups or anything like that. You go there, you look at it. If you like it, you look, see what you like, whatever. I'm not going to bug you for your email address or anything like that. So it's all free. So check it out and have a good day.